You think?
Yeah, I think you guys will actually do
No.
Yo, Marabash, brother, this time around.
He markets. Okay. But
Bazokudamba futhi.
Yo. Oh boy.
Facade nje lento le uzothi masongenile ku Big Brother uzobe usuyathula njenga uPale the first one.
Yeah. But we know who's Pale.
Yeah,
You know Pale?
Yeah, I know that.
Bozodlodla kakhulu wena.
Uyaqhubeka nomjita.
Apa she eats bra. Khona la. There was a time where there was a stake where
Sebenza.
wayanganamuzi ugogo kufanele ukudibana nogogo adla ikoti estrategy ajakamisa ifalse ihlale ngasentweni
Ngabili ubagrize enze njalo angeke asafike endlini.
ahlukanisa ifalse therapy.
Yo boy, God.
Yo.
No man.
That's a real blow job right there.
Yo boy. Yes.
Yo,
I'm back. I missed it guys.
yabona iNigeria bayiscora leya goal.
Yeah.
Ngabona lapho ukuthi iyadliwa kilokhu njani. Before nje sizokhava.
You were hopeful ukuthi so win.
Well, I mean, basebenzile abafana. I mean,
boy, enhlekweni ahle bufuna zidliwe.
Ebra, when South Africa was going through all these other like my game, he win. I was like, oh, inhlanhla le. Inhlanhla le. Why, Ebra, bengibona ngithi cha. The squad, Hugo Bros was not changing the squad. We were playing with one squad the whole time. Those guys were exhausted, Nigeria. They were very exhausted.
But they played, man. They played.
Yeah, they did.
Sibonginyanga bayisense this time, faith.
Awusho mina bengekama brown envelopes ngaphansi.
Ubadlalile madoda. Basebenzile abafana.
Bona ukusebenza basebenzile marobho ngiyambona uzama ukuthini.
Ma brown envelopes because Mutsipe is the president.
But
you should thank Mutsipe, by the way, for this performance and what the guy had a vision and whatnot.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if people are seeing that vision. Well, yeah. I mean, people were singing praises of Mutsipe lately.
He's the first president.
Let me take this.
Kef, who attended all the games at AFCON.
Oh, okay.
So Mutsipe is doing very well. So I'm a praise this. He deserves them.
Well deserved, yeah.
Well deserved, Mutsipe. Welcome abantu fethu. Sasingena sesikhuluma kwenza njani. Ngoba kuphuza phela namhlanje ukhohle ukuthi welcome.
Boy, grind.
Mnandi fethu kunjani?
Because my lights and everything, I'm still in the mood. It's a new year.
Yeah, of course.
I love the venue.
Yeah, man.
Energy today, especially.
Hey, man.
I'm not saying your energy is always off. It's always good. Yeah. Today it's extra. It's extra. But then, what's good, my wavy gang? It's your boy Aish, and we're back again with another exciting episode.
Hey, I missed that shit.
I got my boy, old boy here.
Yep.
Mr. S is still taking a call, but then he'll be right back shortly. Let's keep on, my dog.
I'm sad. I understand why I'm in a good mood because I'm sad because
you are in a good mood because you know what's very the situation.
Yes, Mr. S.
What did I miss?
Mr. S is back.
Oh, hey yo, welcome to the wave session. We're back again. By the way, people, yekani lokusinikeza ama reviews ngomlomo tu.
Comment down.
Yeah, please. We've got a comment section. Use it. Like it. Subscribe. What else?
Tell a friend.
Put the notification button on so that you will get the new video. Masikeeper. You know, you'll be in the loop. We saw Chikaka small pagama ngatholakala ngaphansi ulride a wave and be in the session.
Yeah. So yeah. We're back again. You know. Sidlala ama-shorts.
Udlala ama-shorts.
No, I mean the shots from the bar.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Ningakhohlwa again, we are shooting live. We are live from El Cantino, Steve's Bar, Emakateni, 101A, you understand? People miss you here. Mandisa and Senamile miss you here. You must come through and make sure you come here and have a good time. You know, it's still a very beautiful place. There's everything. I can tell
What's with the 10-1 bunny?
10-1-A.
Yeah, I know people actually now
10-1-A. Yeah. I'm stand numbers ala makateni mostly.
Oh,
the first houses. The
Yeah.
first houses were 10-1-A, 10-1-A. Oh, yeah. So if mongana ukoko nje
yeah, that's what they usually say.
Yeah, mongana koko makateni. Umuntu akama wathi ngiyakoko kantombazana ukoko kantombazana.
Kantombazana ifike baje ba establish.
Kodwa ingcono yona so khona ukoko kantombazana because basuka la elokishini baya kantombazana. Sisengakhala mazothi le konje kuphi le ngase kuphela le bathi kuphi.
Themba labasha.
Themba labasha athi ngiyakoko kwami themba labasha.
Themba labasha izona ndawo themba.
Ngabona ukoko themba labasha uzaka corruption.
No, but
that corruption.
But wait, move from wherever la beyakhona.
Bekunikeza abantu abasha lapha.
Themba labasha.
Yeah, bekunikeza abantu abasha. So if ukoko uhlele themba labasha,
umuntu omusha.
Umzukulu wakho usesikolweni or uyasebenza.
Wayanganamuzi ukoko. Kufanele ukudibana nogogo adla ikoti estrategini. Like ngoko abantu odla ikoti estrategini.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go. Go abantu odla ikoti estrategini. Come on.
Ilenze singathanda ukuguga. Ayivele bathi gugu uthanda.
Yithathe indlela ekhaya. Oh, cabanga nje ukoko ukhamisa. Achakamisa false style lasekhaya.
Lambili uba Greece enze njalo angeke asafike endlini.
Yona keep it.
Ahlukanisa false therapy.
Yo boy, God.
Yo.
No, man. That's a real blow job.
Yo boy. Yes.
Yo,
I'm back. I missed it guys. So much.
It would have been a minute since
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
It's been a minute since the song came.
I complained to Umshini ukuthi ngathi you were quiet.
Yeah, I got you've been quiet for a while.
So I was complaining that you also not communicating on the group.
Yeah.
When he writes on the group, siyathula.
Yeah. Plus all night, ngazositshela lo.
No.
But then imshini bethu mele ubheke lapha ukuthi ma option la. Ubheka kuma text yakho views info ubheke ukuthi who received it and who read it.
Yeah, because
you be informed because that's what I do.
Technology,
I do it.
And most of the time we react. I come to you.
We should do that.
But the sad part is I do not have a phone and a laptop because I usually been communicating on a laptop and a phone.
Yeah.
So we in the two
Kukhona imbuzi mfethu uyangena lapha ka mfethu yaxova mfethu.
Yes.
So sad, but I'm getting a phone on Monday.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
as in tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow I'm getting a phone.
Oh.
Shout out to Mpazima Funerals, by the way. You know.
You feel that we are getting down by the way.
Yeah, something
There was
like
a
that.
guy free publicity.
Hey,
Sasifela ukuthi ungakaMphazima.
Fortunately, there's some good news that I can't share right now. But Mpazima Funerals will be coming on board very soon, guys. Trust me, and that thing, yeah, when I expecting, she told me yesterday, she was like, yo, I'm interested in this shit, let's see what we can do. Obviously, she gets some this other time for a meeting.
Yeah.
About Patina Temba, we with you, you're doing a good job, Siswami.
She's doing
We
great.
appreciate
Yeah,
you.
she's doing great.
Yeah,
I've been seeing Ama post on Facebook and kwabanye kuma status esinama status. Hey, sechana ama X6, eh?
Yeah, Brian, come on, man.
Bengibheka nama konje yini? Yeah, IBM niyayithanda ne ekhaya.
Everyone requests bafuna PM vele, like most people they love lokuzani German but Beaverman Motorworks.
I just know it's
What does the BMW stand for?
Ubususitshelile asingabe side
Yes.
ushokona lo. Yeah, I'm a BMW fan. So
Really?
I love it, yeah.
Sakile, why didn't you go to Big Brother, bro?
No, man, you know, this time around, I wanted to go to Big Brother on the previous thing.
Sure.
Season, yeah.
I even prepared my audition video,
Oh.
What?
but I didn't send it.
Oh, okay.
Same thing with me this year.
Yeah, so I didn't send it. With this one, angazi ngibambe kanjani ngigeje kanjani mina ngabona ngama advert nje sekuthiwa Big Brother what coming soon. I'm like, coming soon when how njani manje.
Yeah.
Had I seen it, I would have probably sent my audition tape. Otherwise, I'm very interested because I actually spoke to a couple of friends of mine just to check my views.
What would you say?
Am I fit enough for the show?
Yeah, I think you are because I know I'm also fit.
Yeah,
and I think now you fit, bro.
Yeah.
You think? Yeah.
Yeah, I think you guys will actually do
brother, this time around.
Markets, mad. Okay. But
bazokudamba futhi.
Yo. Oh boy.
I
remember.
Yabona nje mangibhala time is love bengifuna nje ukunibona thini cause hey.
You touched a nerve there.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people sebayakhala nabo.
But yazi nginothise entertaining people are not really yabo ukuthi ba sema yabo nje mangibekisa nje ngamshini yabona mshini ngamshini ngisamathandeni
mshini is in love.
So how many people are like mshini like kuyabaphetela abantu ngathi ngiyabuka akekho nomuntu serious nange Valentine's ifethu
bana Sophia Valentine wena why ungayanga Big Brother.
The issue was I was on the road kakhulu when it was time for submissions yabo I saw the first session where I was filling up information. And then ngasingaya session there my videos then I had a very dumb phone yabo bengisana umuntu umcethe mfana ngicela ngisese phone yakho ngifuna ushayela ukuzana i video banibani ye Big Brother akubuye nje uthi yeah Big Brother. I'm like oh, come on man yabo
you have issues.
I wasn't here, I wasn't home. I was in Joburg at the time when kwenzeka yonke lento leyo and I wasn't around abantu who really truly see me for what you guys see me yabo kunabantu abacanga ukuthi na ukhuluma kakhulu nje
just all talk.
This is not, it's a facade nje lento leyo uzothi masongenile ku Big Brother uzobe uyathula njenga upale the fat
I'm the fat
I'm not body shaming here but that's how you describe what you say.
But we know who's Pale.
Yeah,
you know Pale?
Yeah, I know that.
Bozodlodla kakhulu wena.
Uyaqhubeka lokujita.
Apha she eats bra. Khona la. There was a time where there was a steak where Yolanda and Lerato ate a steak. She was the only one who was pissed. Everyone was like, okay, they did it, but we're not gonna act on it. She couldn't handle it. She was like, you guys are selfish. Why would you eat this? Because if they lose the wager, no food. She won't survive. Because the wager was like, if you guys eat it, the wager goes to 100%. If you lose the task, you lose 100% of the budgets. You would. But if you win, you get 100%. So now, lento begaso, be equal. So Lerato wabon 2K. These guys are not serious about the task.
Yeah.
And in order for me to motivate these guys, a task fully, I need to put them on the spots.
Shit, this is nice.
It's very nice.
Yeah, for some odd reason.
We can't tell you what we're drinking because they're not paying us.
We're drinking juice, madam.
We're drinking juice. Apple juice. It's juice. That's what Mrs. says when Masha choose. Oh, I can go my perfume. I'm not drinking choose, bro. As I it's juice. It's juice. No, it's juice. So yeah, and then when they did this task, it was nice. They understood the mission by pushing up until they won the wager. And that's what she said. She was like, Big Brother, I want meat. I haven't had meat because they were on a vegan diet for a week.
Diet,
Oh yeah, I read
so
on Twitter.
Big Brother knew with Mangbegi steak, I got another steak. Fuck, I seen you this year. Yolanda was
it's been making rounds on TikTok and Twitter as well.
I've been watching, bro. Like I've been watching.
Nale kuku elaziwa ulokunja, the kuku that's been trending.
Kuku.
Yeah. I mean the cake.
Yeah, that was weird. I was like, huh?
Okay, Kelly's.
Hey.
No, the cake. Lately that's been trending as well.
The cake is spa.
Leli bedliwa ulokhunja lapha nopaleni lapha ku
Oh yeah, because she eats a lot. You don't want to say that.
Well, she eats.
On Twitter, people have been saying she eats.
Yeah, she does eat a lot. It's not a lie. She eats a lot.
Now, mind you, we can snaffle up with pride. She's eating.
Wow, oh boy.
But she eats.
Ask me to now.
But that's a sexy dick mommy, bro. Like Ngambo, she's. I love big, like big people.
Oh, what you love?
Yeah, I love them big, bro.
You love the well-fed.
Okay, she's okay.
Yes.
She's like the well-fed. Like what the.
Yeah, I mean she's well.
She's well-fed.
Wow.
Don't cancel us. We don't,
Yo, guys, we're just in love with Big Brother, man.
Yeah,
I know you guys are watching Big Brother. And thank you so much for watching us, man.
Yeah, thank you.
So
And thank
much.
you for the
I never say
reviews.
thank you enough, man, because it's gonna grow, and I feel like this platform is also a way you where you can just come and talk. Because this is where I come and talk.
Yeah.
And you do talk, my dog. I love that about you, especially today.
And I got in a class everyone.
And the nice part is we're playing a game there. We can play it now, man. If you guys think you're gonna win.
Now we'll play it.
We'll play it.
At the end of the show, we're playing a game. You must keep quiet for 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the game?
That's the game. You keep quiet for 1 minute.
Most obviously, you are gonna fail, my dog.
I won yesterday.
1 minute. Let's do that. Let's time.
Let's time it. 1 minute. Okay, guys, we're playing a game. It's called Keep Quiet for 1 minute. Sakile is
Can I
gonna be our
have
timekeeper.
I don't trust that.
Timekeeper, please. Oh, umlomo one ngoba siyathula manje.
Yeah, ngifuna ukugqokisa while
Ube muhle mawuthulile.
while sithulile time stopwatch. 1 minute. Keeping quiet. And your time starts now.
Wait, let me re-up first, bro. So that's
I want to see this 1 minute thing.
Yeah.
If we all keep quiet, it's fine. We all won. 1 minute, we keep quiet.
And your minute starts now. Yo, that's a minute. Yo, that's a minute of wasted content.
You can take 1 minute is a short time.
I didn't know it took that long, Baba.
Yo,
What
a wasted content.
Bruh, 1 minute is a long time. Yo. To keep quiet 1 minute.
And you're not even helping.
That's the game. You must interrupt.
But then you never told us that.
Why should I tell you the rules?
Oh, wow.
So that and most of experts would
wow, you boy, shit.
Do it with your siblings. It's a very dope game. It's a very nice game.
Yeah. But that's 60 minutes of, 60 seconds of wasted thingamabobby. Guys, I'm sorry.
Thingamabobby.
Can I take this cause I'm doing something else at work, so I'm from you.
What I want to tell you also, my favorite rapper in SA, Mr. Tulufelo, Cassper Nyovest. Mufasa.
Kinja that boy.
Mufasa.
Kinja.
Inja again. Man. Mina ngidlala ngizwa bathi rapper Cassper's where. Okay.
Hip hop
dog. Cassper. I want to correct this for everybody else. Cassper's been saying it in his music. Kuti Kili Pantula ele rapper. That means he's a pantula that raps.
Exactly.
He's not a rapper. Ke pantula, so we must be proud with him. The pantula thing in Maybach, my dog.
Ooh, my dog, that shit is cool.
Pantula thing in
It's
Maybach.
super clean, my dog.
Shoot is kune Bentley, kune McLaren,
My dog.
kune Maybach, my dog.
On his way to fetch it, he was like, last day of Bentley boys. So really now is a Maybach boy.
This boy is so long. Big boys. He's a big boy now.
Big boy things, my dog.
So, kid, how would you feel when I'm on Maybach? Did you see Casper's Maybach?
That thing is extra snowy, bro. It's extra snowy.
I'm sure mine has an island. Peter's face will be really brown.
No, man.
That thing is disgusting. Ugh. My dog. This part of the my mates are customized. Cassper Nyovest, like, hey, Maybach did the things.
But Maybach, my Maybach, Bafana, is so very good.
Bro.
Finally, customized.
Bro. I was watching the video the other day. I was like, God damn.
So you guys are fascinated by him buying a...
No.
We are motivated. More than fascinated.
You know, I read Uguti she broke up with the baby mama because of sex addict and what.
Who's the sex addict?
Him.
He spoke about it in a podcast.
Yeah.
Who's not a sex addict?
Who's this girl? There's this girl.
Well,
he said because he was going through something.
It led to him.
I'm not gonna say much, but then he explained.
What did you say, bro? I don't know. Explain to me.
Watch the podcast. Which podcast
is that? Okay, no.
There's this girl. I can't remember her name, but man, what's her name? But okay, afterwards I'll just show you.
What did you just do?
No, Kulek.
Oh, I must contact.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool. I know, Shem, I'm not fascinated or motivated by the Maybach. I'm not a fan.
All right.
I'm a biggest.
You're not a fan of Maybach or Cassper?
The car.
The car?
Yeah.
Sakila fano kibele car.
Everybody has different taste. That's not my taste.
What's your best?
Luxury.
Which one is your best?
I'm a fan of the exactly.
All right.
That's
BM about tiny speed and all that. If you
that or Mustang.
BM is ultimate. It's Maybach.
Nah, I'm okay. I'll pass.
But if you love BM, it means it's still cool because it's old German, man. Mercedes, BM, German thing. It's one family.
Then Maybach, my dog.
Yeah. It's a full house.
I'm showing
Maybach, I'm fan. Ngalala kuyo for a week. I would live in it.
No, man, you know
my controls I just control everything. I'm like massages and everything. I just control it here on the screen. I'm gonna walk violate now and everything. I just it's my dog. I can't even explain it. It's too much.
It just represents power, man.
Exactly.
Okay.
And we love power somehow.
And
wait, but you guys just mentioned Cassper broke up with a baby mama, really?
Yeah.
Well, that's what he said. I mean, because he's a sex addict.
No, he's no longer a sex addict. He was. Yeah.
Oh, ayikho nje wazi ke ku sex addiction.
No, phela manje angisho ukuthi he's celebrate, but into
he's celebrate.
Yeah, manje.
Ucelebrate uchaza lokho.
Yeah, he's seeing someone but then
he's not doing it.
Yeah.
With that someone?
Yeah.
For a year? Uyavuma no someone nje uthi hayi ngizoza nje ngimbuke.
But then nakhona abantu abanjalo bafethu because manje Cassper ngashilwa yiloko naye. Umuntu mos naye. Hayi ukuthi mhlambe.
Yazi ukuthi like I'm not saying kunabantu ababi but wonke umuntu nomuntu wakhe mfethu. Ubona i-couple ukuthi why are they dating each other because it's sex, my dog. Everybody needs it.
I know. Yeah, speaking about sex, I mean, speaking about couples, next week. Wait, what date is it today? 11. Sasa conference on it. 16.
Yeah, we would like to apologize to everybody.
Exactly.
This year is happening for real, girls. Don't think we are joking. Cyril Ramaphosa confirmed ukuthi sizobe sine men's conference, and we are not saying we are going there because we hate you. If the country is in a very bad state,
it's
so kudinga amadoda ukuthi ahlangane from May 12 until when, bro?
16.
Until 16.
16 we are returning home.
Yes, mshini kusasa mfethu no mama umtshela ukuthi So
no red, but
yeah, sorry, Valentine's mzambe ngizozama video call kodwa sibe busy kakhulu.
No phones allowed.
Oh yeah.
Amafoni asale endlini. Thina siya ku men's conference guys. Ingqungquthela amadoda siyothandazela nezwe. Sitakule kule nkinga esibhekane nayo.
Please guys. South Africa is besithe so win ne AFCON. Yabona? Back to what we were saying about men's conference, we are going and no one is stopping us, and we are not funded by the NC in the conference because we want to have enough everything. We want to have electricity. We want to have everything there. So
I had to go to on stage 6, especially since the other party was in Durban.
Say we're on stage 5 after 12 today.
Oh really? Yeah, no, we are going to the men's conference. Come hell or high waters, come load shedding or water shedding.
Yeah,
or whatever it is.
We don't need electricity because your tenders are very
so Katsamakandlela.
Yes, Katsamakandlela. Everybody's welcome, especially those who are in love. They can save.
Money,
they save money. Time, stress. What do you have for us, then, man? I think you have something like that.
No, remember we have the soup kitchen that we run on a weekly basis.
What's the name?
It's run by the PC Foundation. So we dish up we cook and dish up for.
Oh, it's a flampis.
Yeah, it's a.
It's a flampilo.
No, peace. It's a peace.
Because because you're providing food.
No. It's a flampis.
Okay.
So yeah, we providing food for the kids.
Yeah.
Not only the kids, because even Abadabadala they do come.
Yes.
So our station is a Ponzi currently.
Yeah.
But there was a request let's do a rotation and not only focus a Ponzi. So we did that. So yesterday, Saturday, which I think we fed about 3 wards. Oh, mind you, it's a soup kitchen, but we dish out meat, and it's not soup, it's meat.
Ooh.
Yeah, we dish out proper food.
Well, the soup is a facade.
Yeah. So we dish up. We've got a menu for Saturday. We've got a menu for Sunday.
Yeah. Okay.
So we've got beef. We've got chicken. And then we've got your different veggies. We decide this time around, let's do this, let's do that, and what.
Wow. Yeah. Shout out to who's sponsoring, who's funding.
Oh, yeah. We are sponsored by Roots Butchery.
Yes.
We've just signed in a new sponsor by the name of B&H Sugar, Pty Ltd.
All right.
Yeah, they just came on board. And also, we're still asking for more sponsors to come on board because it's growing. Yeah. Especially if we're receiving request let's do a rotation because we want to cover as many waters as we can.
Yeah.
So and also shout out to Roots for just taking us on the initiative.
Yeah.
But now the Saskafin is on. No shade.
Viva Congolo.
No shade.
Yeah, no shade, Shem. There's a post as a semkondo 24 hours. If I were Muslenda Dlagamanda.
Pasema.
Uthi idubukele skayifini ANC iyaphakela ukudla sithi ugesi ungekho njenganini niyahlekisa shem uyakhomenta ubuye uthi lol silungiselela ukhetho.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're doing that. Yeah, we're doing that on
every weekend.
Every weekend.
Yeah.
So guys, do come. If abantu they want to come and volunteer, they can come and volunteer.
Yes, definitely.
We don't have money to pay you. I mean, we're a non-profit organization.
Yeah, but now the nice part is if you volunteer, you'll get food. It's not like you zolam, and it's nice to get a free meal sometimes.
I have a free meal every Saturday and Sunday because
understand. So now I'm planning with most volunteer. Which is spending the whole day there feeding abantu abakudinga. But at the end of the day, now we also get a meal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's nice. That's why I buy every weekend. Sometimes I buy a mass. Last week, community, I'm like, I'm like, what do you mean? You are just here for the food.
Yeah, I wake up, my father was a Uzathi angikaze ngezwa ngisho unqa wakhe. Umuntu bekasithuka la umuntu akaze athi nqa.
Usihlolela.
No, it happens.
Come through for is a PC by PC by providing our meals. And it's dope, man. That's what like baleka kanjani. So one of the moment you cooler, you realize that what it played in fact little humble tola every day, and you understand how much you owe your parents.
Yeah.
For providing warm meals every night.
Every night, bro.
Like nukumbuka mama ngithi, you're not even a genius, but hey, impilo ngiphilise yona mfethu. It needs a genius, man, because ukwenza lento ayenzile until ngize ngibe ngaka mfethu.
Akusibaba nenyama.
Are they not appearing, these ones on camera?
Yeah, if they are appearing, they must start
not
paying.
Appearing? This one? Are they appearing there? Can't be giving people free advertising and not sponsoring. Also, we're looking for sponsors for the wave session.
Yes, on the advertising part, wave sessions awards are coming. So that means Sizobeshama roadshows. So it's corny, Solon Kizeville. So it's corny, I swear. So it's corny, Amsterdam. So it's corny, Kondo. So please, I'm a creatives. Let's get ready, guys. This year, let's make it possible.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, last year, but this year will help you. Whoever wants to be part of a session, creative Mkondo. How do you say it? Mkondo Creative Awards, ne?
Yeah, it's wave
sessions. Mkondo Creative Awards. If you are from Mkondo and you are a creative, siyacela mfethu, come through. Iba on board. Ungazincisha nice life. Ungazincisha nje nice things. Wave sessions mfethu uzoba nama awards amahle ke this year. Kubuya wazi. Kurem divide yamama wakho nje uzoyibona ihlele lapha ku TV stand yakini. Yabo manje ki TV ngizobuka laphani ngizobeka web station now. Ngizobeka web station, but not only that ukuthi utholiwe award kuphela, but just to motivate people ukuthi babe involved ku creative space, ba push talent abanalo, their passion, babe serious nje into abayithandayo, singers, photographers, anything that involves being creative.
Yeah.
We are part of web session creating Mkondo Creative Awards.
Wait, are we being nominated? I mean, this is also part of.
Yes. Also, obviously, we're not saying in web session our podcast is a winner. If ever there's something bigger than us, now the if is very big. So
you know.
So Tina Njenge Session podcast, we know we're going to win, but it doesn't mean you must not compete. You can try. It's still early.
Yeah, you can try.
The road show is coming through from June, right? From June, the road show, the activation, Uti Nazuti Icon, and this will be serious, Pusha, this will be called. So whoever has an idea for a podcast, I had somebody talking about a podcast for sex. I'm like, how many times are gonna talk about sex? Like, why are you gonna stay like Namsland and Kumai talk style missionary? What are you gonna say? Because
what are you gonna say like next week and all that?
But I think it's interesting. So one would come baganja.
No, I won't be part of a sex podcast.
Yeah.
You don't.
Anyways, guys, I need 350 grand.
Yay.
Yeah, for Miss Mkondo, that's the budget.
350 grand. How much you paying me?
Well, I need 350 grand. Let me get the 350 grand
then
first.
You say, okay.
And then we'll see how we do that. Because we want to go.
We want to make it big this time.
We want to make it big. We'll do the live auditions very soon.
Yes.
Most probably before March ends, we'll be having our live auditions for that. More details will come on our page, so people should also look out on that one.
Yeah.
So that when we do our road shows, we have some of our finalists there. Of course. And yeah, and all of that. So, but I'm looking for 350,000 rand for the entire show.
So
it's not easy putting such a show.
Our pet 50 grand. Our father, this thing is dope. That's 50 grand. Nime buying 350.
Couple of those,
100.
6 nyana, 7.
Yeah.
100, 200, 350. About 7.
7 people, guys.
Yeah.
7 people with 50 grand. Make sure you come through and do this thing. and I want to say too, we also I wanted to tell Miss Mkondo, I like it for the fact that he encouraged amantombazane ukuthi abe mahle. Ayiphathe kahle. Ayithande. Encourage, hayi ukuthi
usikhulumisa izindaba.
Ukhuluma ngabani? Asazi thina le issue bayiphatha thina sazi abantu ayiphatha kahle. Siyabonga amantombazane asemkhona niqhubeni ukuyiphatha kahle. Ni abstaining from a lot of stuff, you know, like alcohol, especially. It's not sexy shame it is nice. You must drink, but it's not cute. It's not cute. It's not cute. It's not cute. You can drink with your friends, but not all the time. It's sexy for mchituta. Some niggas look nice. We will lose Jima Nabumshin tennis courts, chose on the tennis courts
every morning.
Whoever doesn't know, come through every morning. I have never been there. I always try to wake up. I'm 7. I've never been there. I'm not gonna lie, but I know these guys push it.
Well, I can't because I
live on the other side of the world.
No, besides that, I wake up at 4. I'm needed on site at 6:30. I need to be on site. So.
Yeah, when I age, what's the excuse?
I'm always in shape, Mata. What are you saying?
That's not a shape.
My dog. I've got it all, my dog.
There's a massive specs born.
Umamuzokhala.
No,
ngishuma. The real one.
So I borrowed the phone yakhe ngiyabona nje. Oh love. We'll talk later.
Bro. I want to start to ngisize ngama screenshots.
Yeah.
Mangithi ngiyaqhubeka ngibona ivideo. Uyibekile umama nje ngiyasho ukuthi amsendele nje video nje umuntu enje 3 views zonke.
Hey, ngayisusi inkulumo madoda. Hey.
Usemathando yini?
Plus Valentine's.
Kodwa akekho
celebrated
conference. Sorry man, she knows. Lesingakujabulela ukuthi sibe sonke.
Baby siyaxolisa siya conference thina singamadoda.
Yes, and also man,
we don't care.
Yeah, we want to give a shout out to people who are doing the most abasemkhondo face.
Oh yeah.
Let's make sure we celebrate those guys, man. Like it's one of the reasons why we're pushing so hard now in general sessions, because we look up to Prettiende,
who's doing the most,
and we can't wait for scrumptious. Spoguhle, come home, man. Come to our sessions. One day, man, make sure. I didn't like what you said about the fact that Mkondo McDonald's he told them, let's show them what we are big.
But you know, while we are appreciating people who are doing great, la Mkondo.
Yeah.
Yazi ngiyayibona le juice yaphela.
Le juice namagwebu.
Hey. While we do
that.
While we do that, I'm very sad. I don't know if it's because Mkondo usupportwa ngokuthi i-event yenziwa ubani. Or there's that tendency. There's that tendency yokuthi I go to a show because this person is there, and all of that. Benise creamy indulgence.
Yeah, it's creamy indulgence.
Yeah. Yes,
used to be 4 ways.
It used to be 4 ways. So I went there, and then they were having a show.
When?
Last week.
Is it?
Yeah, last week. They had a show last week. I went there, and obviously I got there late because I had to start a kitchen and then go.
It was a weekend.
There. Yeah, it was a weekend. I think it was on a Sunday or Saturday. I can't remember. 3 or 4, and I can't really cite the fact of Utim Club because it was a registration week. No, that's not the case.
Yeah.
Because when I engaged those guys, Lapana, the person who's running the Usindi,
shout out to Sisindi.
Yeah, who's running the shop. What they've done a number of shows, and people are not really pulling up. Because I was like, well, guys, what are you doing for Valentine's? Like, we're very skeptical because whenever we have our themed shows, people don't really show up. Which is the same thing that happened in Australia. I mean, I don't think Uguchi people really gave him that support as late as I was. But it can't be ukuthi say pelile and then you get to a venue and it's like angazi wabakhona umuntu. So it's not okay, guys. Let's support the shows. Remember on our last episode, besikhuluma senze ijoke ngokuthi emkhondo we are only waiting for one show, which is full moon.
Bro,
so
it's sad.
It can't be like that. Even you're on a full moon, we're not fully supporting it as much as
we're supposed to.
So let's try and then support the shows that we're doing. Akungayi ngokuthi yenziwa ubani wakwabani and all of that. Just support a good initiative because it's putting food on somebody's table.
Not only that, bro.
The creatives that are there, they get paid and all of that. And it's creating a platform for somebody that I wouldn't know. Also Kamuga perform and then I get to see that person. Because I'm telling you, I get a lot of inboxes about people who performing with him. I'm like, dude, I've never seen you perform. I can't just take anything Tom and Jerry on a stage.
We're trying to do something proper here.
So let's try to support the shows that we're doing. Then we'll grow, man. Let's create our own entertainment hub.
It's not amazing to kuma cool Sakir. It's what you do. It's what you do best. It's what you and I do best.
Try and make a living out of talking.
Exactly. Don't be ashamed of it, nigga.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. We love it when you talk, man. That's why we're listening.
And those who are sharing love there. How, Peck? You are still alive.
Someone, Peck. What's up? You don't want to appear and say and do that thing in the
Oh, that's Peck right there.
That's Peck right there. Damn Peck right there. But yeah, man. Damn Peck. It's not Peck. What's up, Peck? What's the Peck? Come on, Johnny. Go to Johnny. Peck. I'm a young man.
Oh, guys, there's something interesting again, which I think we need to shout out. We're still on supporting our local.
On that. It's a podcast, don't worry about it. We can go to a 6-9.
I was surprised. When did we have a director?
That's not direct. So put your camera on, man. She was trying.
So there's Infinite Wisdom Institute. It's an aftercare type of thing.
Really?
Yeah, it's Zweli Hlachwayo is involved in that one.
Okay.
I think you guys have seen it on my status. I've shared it. We need to go there and profile it. He's offering extra lessons for maths and physics.
Wow.
Yeah. At a very reasonable rate, by the way.
How much?
At a very reasonable rate.
How much per kid?
Let me check it out and then I'll let you know.
Because very as we are getting ukuthi umntana mabuye esikolweni angacabanga ukuthi ngona ujola mfethu ngona buyele eclassini futhi again because school abazali ba busy mfethu after school abazali abekho ekhaya.
Yeah, it's Infinite Wisdom Tutoring extra class sessions. So get your child the help he or she needs from qualified teachers, grade 11 and grade 12. So, and then they are offering mathematics and physical sciences. The subject A1, it's 250.
Zweli, there was Zweli, I know.
Yeah, there's
the teacher.
The teacher, he put it up. Mshini,
you put
it up.
Yeah. Make sure you get this one. Eh? But that guy, I haven't seen a teacher who is passionate as him, especially at his age. Zweli, what you are doing is really good. Because even last year he got the best results for Ikhatsibande, especially good maths and physics.
By the way, he's younger than us.
Yes.
And he's acted as a deputy principal where he works.
Understand that.
And now he's an HOD for science, maths and science.
Understand that. Good. That's because he's good, man.
Yeah, he is
age,
good.
Age is
by the way, funny enough.
Younger than you.
He's younger than me.
Work for this.
Yeah, work for this. Great. No, he was doing his practice. practicals, first year practicals.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he was teaching me geography, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think he taught me geography.
It's good.
Yeah, he's very good, and he was always worried. I mean, because we knew each other. But guys, marani angizwa. Or nyafambo that
Yeah.
I'm a real shy.
Yeah, it's shy.
Real shy. So I work with the guy.
Yeah.
So yeah. He's doing that. Obviously, I'm not a teacher.
Well, is it that thing you're talking
hate
about?
it. Yeah, that's
The
the
other
thing.
time?
The other time. Yeah,
All
yeah,
right, so
that's
we're
the
proper,
one.
man.
Yeah,
Proper.
I hated maths and physics. Well, physics I only loved. No, it's not physics. Yeah, physics.
Chemistry,
I only loved
probably.
chemistry.
Yeah,
I only loved chemistry.
Yeah,
Now,
me
when
too.
I did maths and science because I was forced. I mean, like my dad said, if you don't do this, leave my house. I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it.
Dude, they gave you freedom.
Aye.
You didn't want to be on your own.
Did I want?
This
nigga right
nigga.
here.
But to
yeah,
leave my
he's
house.
saying.
He doesn't want to leave.
And go where? When we are still in grade 10, where do you go?
Where do you go, my dog?
Where do you go?
You go keep it up and you find an ass. That is very edge only. Who's going to better you?
For school we see Davalo.
I'll put it as your face, but those are the only professionals who are
kind enough.
who are financially kind.
Who are financially kind. Okay.
To the youngins.
To the office. We know you.
We see you.
You are the young money eaters. Yo. Shout out to our manners, man. They keep it clean.
Wow.
Come on.
Guys, sex episode.
They don't keep the bag. They don't keep what? So I feel.
Don't forget, you know, I wake up at 4.
Yeah.
But imagine when I wake up at 4, but my bed is next to my window. Before I wake up, yeah.
Shit.
And another breeze yasekuseni iyabanda.
Do you love your job though?
I love my job. It's very challenging.
Yeah.
But I love my job.
Obviously, if it's challenging, you must love it. You love challenging things.
Yeah, I love challenging
things.
Yeah, I love my job.
Yeah.
Plus, also, I'm in a different setup.
Yeah.
So I'm learning a lot of things. I find interest in a whole lot of things. You know.
For sure.
Okay, if I do that, but ngiyabona hayi khona amanye ama-office lapha ahlezi umuntu wakhona umtholela every time. Noma during lunchtime, the person is here. I can't.
Yeah.
I love my job.
Yeah.
More than I love, because bengibuka from a distance, I would love to do that, but no, it's too much work. I know it's too much work. So, because I work with your engineers, your quantity surveyors, your quality officers, you know, so I'm like, okay,
it's a new industry for you.
Yeah, let me try that one. Mara ngithengiyabuka ngathi nona ngathi usebenza kakhulu. With mine, I'm able to take a breather. Wow. She's an engineer.
Have you seen Leti?
No. Why are we talking about people? Why are we name dropping?
Because she's delicious.
I'm not part of that.
Yeah, we'll show you later, man. She's nice.
She's an engineer. She's a quantity surveyor.
Yeah, and she also, you know those people who articulate English like they don't know Zulu, and when they speak Zulu, it's like they don't know English. They were like every language is proper. Huh?
Delicious.
She is delicious.
Have you tasted her?
I said scrumptious.
Who said delicious?
I said delicious.
Yeah.
If you can go to how? Thank you, Papa.
Coming from there.
We are born the first when she speaks. Right?
When did we move to talking about that person?
You don't want to talk about Liz.
You don't want to talk. You don't want to talk about delicious stuff.
Why are we discussing my colleagues on a podcast?
We're not discussing your colleagues.
Guys, I see these people. Every day.
Oh, she's no longer delicious because you see her every day.
I didn't say she's not delicious.
Oh, right.
I didn't say she's delicious.
A little compliment, Nyana. What's wrong with that?
Let me call her.
There's no plan. Yes, call Letu.
Let me call her.
Yes, let's call it. We are calling somebody delicious right now. For the first time. For the first time on the session, we are calling something delicious. Something nice.
Let me call her, man.
Dude. Oh boy is fired up right now.
Oh boy is talking about you on the podcast.
Saying you are delicious.
Does she know even I'm old boy, bruh? You know yesterday? So yesterday I'm chilling with Letu, she's like, I don't know how it happened, Uti. We spoke about
Wait. The very same delicious one.
The delicious thing. When I saw that delicious thing, I can't talk about something I've never seen, bro. How?
I was in the woman.
So she's like, oh, I've seen you before. I'm like, from
Letu?
Because you know.
Hush.
Put it on loudspeaker.
I'm gonna put you on loudspeaker. You are live on the podcast. There's a nigga here who's talking about you.
Yes.
Let me put you on loudspeaker now. Yeah, now we are on loudspeaker.
Hello, Rich Aunt.
Ooh.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you, Rich Aunt?
I'm good, and how are you?
We're speaking about you, man.
You talking about
I'm nice.
About me?
Huh?
What are you guys saying about me?
I just told them that I met you yesterday and you are
delicious.
You are a subscriber to the station. Wow. Wait, I am gonna say what I want to say. Come down, guys. Are you still here, Letu?
Yes, I'm still here.
Are you okay? Are you delicious today? Because yesterday you were.
Can you repeat that again?
Hey.
I'm saying, are you delicious today? Because yesterday you were.
Okay.
Oh, she's blushing.
It's a question. Wow. It's a question. Don't blush, Letu.
What is the question exactly? Because I cannot hear you properly. What are you asking?
I am saying, are you delicious today? Because yesterday you were.
Are you asking me that?
You are on the podcast, by the way.
Don't limit her answers. We're not saying.
No, I didn't know that I was delicious, but it's a compliment. Thank you. I'm still delicious as I was yesterday.
It's still the same thing, right?
She confirms she's delicious.
Yeah, she just confirmed that she is then. Okay. We just want to send a shout out to you, man, for being a fan of the podcast. And also, we thought we should call you today. You are the first person we've ever called on the podcast.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that's really nice. I'm a lucky girl.
Is it okay if you put up your picture showing them good to Kumano One?
Do you have my picture?
You said I can give you my number so that you can send me your pictures.
Wow.
Are you with Sakile, right?
Yeah, Letu, I have your picture.
Sakile will is it okay if Sakile gives me your numbers?
Yeah, it's okay. Sakile should have a picture of me, right?
I do have your pictures.
No, you send me the pictures. Pictures.
Yeah, she's my colleague.
Pictures. Sakile has pictures, man.
I work with her.
We don't need work pictures here.
Oh.
We need real nice pictures.
My profile thing is showing on WhatsApp. That's a beautiful
Even on WhatsApp. Okay, cool then. Thank you so much. Where are you? What are you doing on Sunday?
This my son, Mr. S.
I'm at the house. I'm taking a nap. Yesterday, we slept late and I'm tired.
Who is we now? Why are you telling people our business now?
You all going home late, Mom. Busy now.
Bye, Letu.
Bye, Letu. Thank you so much. You are very dope. And delicious.
Oh, wow.
Watch the episode.
Bye, Letu.
Sup?
Bye. Thank you, guys. Shout out to y'all.
Thank you. That was the delicious way to
my dog. I think you. I
think
it's safe for me to say. I think you like her, my dog.
What? You don't think she does? He's busy thinking. He can't think for her. He's thinking for me. What is this? Think for her too. You are a thinker.
So the feeling is mutual.
What do you think?
We'll see you on the next episode.
We'll see you on the next episode. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much. Let's you.
We just post for this right now.
Like,
but then, hey,
subscribe
and comment. Don't
wait,
us
guys.
Comments and
Honestly, we are not being rude when we are telling you this now. We want you guys to engage with us so that your comments can be on the podcast. Nami, I've seen somebody who's like, someone has seen somebody. Is it okay? It's cool.
Hey,
and it's not our mother tongue.
Exactly.
So this girl was like, yo, hey, I'm like, yeah, but you watched it. While you're watching, you can make the screen small, comment while you're watching, and then continue to watch. We are not being rude. We want to engage with you. We want to hear your views. But guys, we really appreciate it. If you want to start your own, start your own. If you love ours, be with us, be our family. What do you want to say, Ish, man? Come on.
Meeting in my guys. I know you love the show and all that, but then I'm not trying to hear all that in my and all that. Then sing my meeting for 5 hours, man. Sing like an hour. And I have to listen to you because man,
it's loud. Podcast.
But then guys.
Yeah.
I said believe.
Yeah.
And remember, says the guy also trying to read right now in the podcast.
Yes, she said you know how it is.
I wanted to say something, I just forgot.
What do you want to say?
But anyways, this one that I remember, Umshini did put a post on Facebook asking who do you want to see on the podcast. Please do recommend, even on our comment section. Yes. On the videos, please.
Yes, even if it's your friend, it's fine.
But your friend must be worth it.
Yeah. Whoever must be on
top of the wave.
Yeah, it must be on top of the wave.
As long as they can ride the kakasi, man, it's fine.
Until next time, you guys have been lovely.
We out.
Peace.